Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is uMkhonto Wakangubani. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload you'll be the first one to know. I am currently in Pietermaritzburg at the Brian Molefe political lecture hosted by the MK Party's Youth League.
In order to reshape the current status quo in those state-owned entities. Because it is pivotal that the state-owned entities, they must be able to drive our economy. They must be able to deliver for the masses and for the poor of the poorest in order to remove our people from the scourges of poverty. I'll beg you, Chair, just to give me maybe 2 minutes of your time because there are certain issues that I want to make a submission on this setting, so that when we Commander Molefe leaves, then we have a task when it goes to the national leadership to share with them. At Molefe, we have a crisis of youth unemployment, we have a crisis of unemployment in general in South Africa, especially in the KZN. Now we're in government, we are simply saying that to use the budget that is allocated for national parliamentary seats as well as the provincial legislatures. Please design programs there to be able to absorb our people, especially our ground forces. Because you are aware that there's a certain percentage that is being allocated to umkhontowesizwe party since now we are in government. We have ground forces that are selfless and driving the programs of umkhontowesizwe party without anything to feed themselves and go to bed with. So we don't want to find ourselves in a situation, Commander, that our people lose hope in umkhontowesizwe. We don't want umkhontowesizwe to be labeled as a stepping ladder of other certain individuals to ascend to the position of authority. I thank you, Chair.
The current generation of ours must defend the days of our revolution. The question is first will be, what is the revolution? According to my understanding of the revolution,
about how do we influence government to change government policies in terms of, in respect of state-owned entities. Well, if we had not done anything, if President Zuma had not done anything between last year and now, we would still be where we were last year. But now, a space has been opened. A space has been opened. umkhontowesizwe has won seats in parliament. We are able to stand up in parliament and express our views and say what it is that we think is needed to change the state-owned entities and to turn South Africa into a developmental state. It's a contested terrain. It is a site of struggle. And our sites of struggles are numerous. Parliament is one, local government is one, the NGO sector is one, the MK party, building of the party and making sure that we win elections is one, all with the purpose of making sure that it in the end we'll be able to change government policy in respect of SOEs and to refocus government's energies on development. The second question was about designing programs to create jobs. As umkhontowesizwe party, with monies of people going to parliament and so on and so forth. umkhontowesizwe party itself should not be a place for employment. DCT, Durban Container Terminal, ESCO, the different mines, the different entities of the state should become where people get employed. So we as MKP can only play in Parliament and elsewhere a facilitative role to ensure that Durban Container Terminal, the Port of Moga, Port of Cape Town, the Transnet Railways, and so on, employ people maximally. To ensure that the local government has got programs to create jobs and create an environment where people can have meaningful jobs. We only facilitate that process, and we should never view the political party itself as the creator of jobs. And I agree with the comrade that says that the revolutionary must be prepared to suffer. The revolutionary must also be disciplined. And I agree with those sentiments on expressed about a revolution. What happened in 1994 is not really a revolution. Perhaps a step in the right direction, but not quite a revolution itself. The original colonial institutions were not removed in 1994. The apartheid institutions were not removed in 1994. The structure of society was not changed in 1994. People still stay in Soweto and in Eden Vale, and white people still stay in town with the white man. So the apartheid structure of society still exists. We have not totally, through a revolution, removed all of those things. And I want to agree with that comrade in that respect. However, we have created a space for us to fight in a bigger battlefield. If you like, in the military, they call it opening up a front, opening up a hole, a front.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, don't skip the ads, and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye.